this is the complete Homeschool from the Heart course. I am so excited to be on this journey with you and share all the things I've learned about homeschooling from the heart. Milo Sweet, online business owner, course creator, podcaster, homeschooler, achieve more with less. Welcome to Homeschool from the Heart. What to expect from this course. So this is the complete Homeschool from the Heart course, and I'm so excited to have you along the journey. This is the real deal. So it's going to be a little lengthy, but if you can hold on, stay with me, you're going to get a lot from this course. So first, what to expect from this course. I am so excited to be on this journey with you and share all the things I've learned about homeschooling from the heart. These methods are true to my heart and our way of living, and I hope that they're helpful for you. What can you expect from this course? So we're going to go over some objectives, giving yourself some grace, understand the way that your children learn, understand the way that you teach, enjoy the process, and set some expectations. Objective 1. After taking this course, whether homeschooling accidentally, remember COVID, by choice or not at all, even if you don't homeschool, I believe you can get something out of this course. You'll have extreme clarity on how you parent and teach your kids in a way you enjoy and they love while cultivating your dream family. So moving closer toward the kind of connection that you want to have, the kind of relationship that you would like to have with your children, as well as the overall vibe that you have when you're teaching them. So do I actually teach you a curriculum? No. I teach you how to work with any curriculum, how to work with different kids of different ages, and how to create a schedule that is complementary to the style of teaching, to what works for you, so that the end of the week is actually better for you. Objective 2. Grace, simple elegance or refinement of movement, courteous goodwill, due honor or credit to someone or something by one's presence. Whenever you're doing anything new, there is the pain of change. So to change, there is going to be some pain or an adjustment, and you have to give yourself grace in that moment. Give your children grace and give a little bit of time. So when you're implementing things in this course, if you're looking for perfection right away, good luck. This is more about creating a process that's rep-based to give you better satisfaction and give you more optimum results as you put forth the reps. Objective 3, understand the way you teach and the way your children learn. This is so important. Maybe the way you teach is the way your child hates to learn. So then you're constantly bumping heads and causing conflict. That is not going to fare well. And by the end of the week, you're going to want to pull your hair out because you're frustrated with how homeschooling is going. This also applies to actual school. Like, are you scheduling too many things? Are you scheduling things you want your child to do and you're not really thinking about what's helpful for them and what would help them develop the skills you actually want them to have? So really think about how you teach, how your child responds to that teaching, and then how you actually need to be teaching to get the response you would like to see in your child. And then lastly, enjoy the process. It is a process and it's not going to happen overnight. Maybe there's some success you'll see right away, but really this is a lifelong approach to how you want to cultivate an environment in your home that is a great foundation for teaching, for encouraging learning, and to be a place where you're able to grow and develop as well. So if you don't enjoy the process, you're really going to think, when is this over? Why do I have to do this? I can't wait for this. The idea is that you fine tune it so well that you'll actually enjoy it. Even when there's some difficult times, you'll realize, hey, we got the right system. We just got to let things run its course, take its time. All right, so this course will help you cultivate a phenomenal learning environment in your home that you'll love and thrive in. Are you ready?